Get ready for an exclusive sneak peek at the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Leaked photos of this upcoming flagship have surfaced, giving us a first look at its sleek gray color and confirming some exciting details. Thanks to the diligent work of Davidon X, we've got a glimpse of both the front and back of the device. At first glance, it might seem similar to the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but there's a notable change. The screen is now flat instead of curved. This design tweak gives the phone a modern and sharp appearance, and it's also more durable. The back maintains Samsung's signature matte finish, adding a touch of luxury. What's more, it features a titanium frame, making it lighter and likely more robust than its predecessor. Now, let's talk about the big reveal. Samsung is all set to unveil the Galaxy S24 series on January 17th, but before that, they have an event focused on artificial intelligence, AI, at CES 2024. This suggests that the Galaxy S24 series will embrace AI technology, promising exciting enhancements. Rumors about the camera capabilities are buzzing. The S24 Ultra might take even better photos, especially with a reported 10x zoom and a set of 4 rear cameras. And the icing on the cake? Samsung is accepting early reservations for the Galaxy S24 series, offering a $50 discount for those who reserve ahead of time. In summary, the Galaxy S24 series promises fresh design, enhanced durability, brighter displays, upgraded hardware, and exciting new AI features. Stay tuned for more details as we approach the launch. Subscribe for updates and share your thoughts in the comments. Peace out.